how Andrew Tate made millions from a very simple method that anybody can replicate. And the best part is, nobody is talking about this method. Many people are following this method and have made millions of dollars and counting. Like Ali Abdaal, who made $10 million following the same method and shared his earnings recently. Iman Ghazi bought a $30 million private jet and made an insane amount of money following the same roadmap. And the list goes on. Nobody was actually talking about this business. So I decided to reveal this method step by step for free, but I will not guarantee that this video will remain free for a long time. So take out your pen and paper and start making the notes right now. Before this video became available to paid audiences only. So before moving forward, congratulate yourself that you still managed to stay on this video, and you are the one who is interested in escaping the matrix and making a luxurious life for yourself and your loved ones. So what is this method? It is selling online courses.
Wait a minute!
You might be thinking about how can you set up an online course business like The Hustler University, and it might seem impossible to you. But believe me, I will prove to you with an example that this is way easier than you think. Let's take the example of Ali Abdaal. He was a doctor by profession in the United Kingdom, where doctors earn a very good income. Despite this, he left medicine 2 years ago without having any specialized skills to teach. Instead, he learned new skills, mastered them, and then created mini courses to sell online, eventually making over $10 million. As a doctor with no technical background, he created courses like a Notion Masterclass, a 1 hour and 45-minute course, and video editing, a 3 hour and 16-minute course, among others of similar duration. If someone without a teaching background can learn basic skills on his own, create a few short courses, and earn over $10 million from them, then you can do it even better, because I'll provide you with the complete roadmap. When he started, he had no guidance on how to begin, but now you do. I hope this is enough to convince you that it is easy and not that hard, compared to what you were thinking of making money. If you are watching this video, you must have seen videos about passive income on Amazon FBA, dropshipping, print on demand, etc. But this business model is far better and more profitable. Why is this business model best for you? It will take a few hours of your time, and it will be done like Ali Abdaal did. You can sell the single course to unlimited people and have no need to create something new for everyone. This is a digital product, so there is no shipping cost, no storage cost, and no other fee except for advertising, and you can take up to 70% profit margin on a single sale. Even Justin Welch sold his courses, and he made a 91% profit margin over it. There is a minimum or no cost to make a course. It is completely free, and you can easily sell up to $50 to $1,000. I hope now you have a clear mind that this business is not that hard to start, and it is much more profitable than any other business. So let's jump into the step-by-step process of creating an online course selling business. Let's say we're creating a course on how to play the ukulele. We can go to ChatGPT and get some name ideas by giving it a prompt. ChatGPT will provide you with great options for your course name. Select the best one and be sure to check if the website domain is available for it. To check availability, simply visit Namecheap's domain search and look up the domain to see if it's available. Once you've selected your course name, it's time to understand your audience. I've added a document containing all the questions you should follow to identify your target audience. By understanding your audience, you'll gain insights into how to structure your course, the type of content and language to use, and the elements that will help you engage your audience more effectively. Now, we need to create a course outline. We'll use a fast and powerful tool, ChatGPT, for this. Simply go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt provided. I've included this prompt in the document linked in the description of this video for easy access. After entering the prompt, ChatGPT will provide you with a complete course outline to guide you through the course creation and management process. After getting the course outline, now it's time to create a video based on the course outline. Simply record yourself with your phone or camera if you feel its quality is good, or you can borrow one from your friend for a while. And if your course includes computer screen sharing, so you can use the Canva or any other free tools that are already in the market. As it is a simple process, so we will not jump into the details for this process. Now that your course is ready, you'll need a platform to host it online, where you can manage students, payments, course access, quizzes, assignments, and more. There are many platforms available, such as Kajabi, School, and LearnWorlds. However, I recommend starting with Podia, as it offers affordable plans for beginners and has excellent features for managing your entire course business. Podia is very user-friendly with a simple drag-and-drop interface. For a complete overview of how to use it, you can watch Podia's official video, linked in the document for easy access. This is the main part where you have to sell your course. Now you have a ready-to-sell product, but selling it is an art. There are two ways to sell your course: paid and free methods to bring traffic to your website. Let's see how the paid method will work, and then we will jump to the free method as well. So, set up a new Facebook page on your current Facebook account and start advertising your course there by running paid ads. Just select the target audience, and Facebook will show your ads to the relevant audience, as their algorithm is the best in the world. To get the best idea on how to run ads for your course, Facebook has its training that you can find by the name of Facebook Ads Blueprint. While running paid ads, you have to keep one thing in mind. I will not recommend running ads in the USA, UK, and Australia, as the advertisement cost per person is way too much compared to other countries. I have shared a list of countries along with their advertisement cost, so you easily get an idea on where to run paid ads. Now, let's have a look at the free method. If you want to do it for free, you have create free content, like this guy Andy Guitar has done. He created free content on his YouTube channel on how to play guitar, and then if you see in his product description, he is actually selling a lot of paid courses. This is the website where he is actually selling the courses, but he is driving traffic from YouTube for free by giving the free content. You can create your course-related videos on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and other such platforms, as they get higher views compared to long-form videos, and attach your course link in the video description. Even Harmony recommends this method, and this is a proven method where you can drive traffic for free. What if you feel like you have nothing to teach? Now, here is some bonus advice for those who think they have no skills to teach. Normally, we get this question from the teenagers, those who have no specific skill to sell. But sometimes there are a lot of people in their 20s, 30s, and 40s who have no skills to teach as well. So, I'll believe everyone has some skill, but they don't know it yet. Just think in a way that a person have a gun on your head and ask you to give at least one skill against your life. And it could be any skill that you might have, like parenting, house management, work management, and even if you know how to use PowerPoint to make extraordinary presentations or anything else related to your work. But after all of this, if you still think you have no skill to teach, then there are two methods. Number one, use platforms like edX, as top universities in the world like Stanford and Harvard have their courses on this platform. So you can enroll in the best courses and learn and master them, and then you will be the one who can actually sell courses online. Number two, just find some expert freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork and ask them to create a course it will cost you, but at least you can make yourself ready to sell a course. I know this is not an in-depth guide, but if I find people who are actually into this and want to learn more stuff about this, do subscribe and like this video, and if we receive an outstanding response, we will launch a proper detailed training for free for our lovely audience. Till then, take care.